Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the word can. It's a modal verb. Where and when and how we should use it, and you can use it, we will learn in this video. Okay, so you use can when you are capable or not capable for something, when something is possible or not possible for you, when you give permission or you take permission, when you request someone for doing something in a polite way, you speak can. Let's learn these things with examples. For example, when you are capable for doing something, you speak can. How? For example, you are capable for operating the computer, so you will say I can operate the computer. That means I'm capable. When you are capable of driving the car, you will say I can drive the car. Similarly, the things you are capable for, you will use can. When you are not capable, you will say I cannot drive the car, I cannot operate the computer, right? Number two, when something is possible or not possible. For example, if you are busy right now, you cannot meet someone, you will say I can meet you tomorrow. That means it is possible to meet tomorrow, because this time it's not possible. You will say I can meet you tomorrow. That means tomorrow it will be possible, and it is not possible this time. You can say I cannot meet you this time, right? Number 4, when you give permission someone for doing something. For example, if you have a bike and someone wants to take a bike, but there is no other bike, you can say to him, you can take my bike. That means you are giving him permission. You are giving him permission to take your bike. You will say you can take my bike, you can use my mobile, you can sit with me. That means you are giving permission to him for these things. Similarly, when you take permission, you can use can. For example, you will say, can I ask you one thing? That means you are taking permission. Can I come in? Can I come to you? Can I sit with you? Can I use your mobile? That means you are taking permission. Okay, and the last thing is this: when you request someone for doing something in a polite way. For example, you will say, can you give me a glass of water? You are requesting. Okay, you can directly say, please give me a glass of water, but this is not the polite way. In the polite way, you can say, can you give me a glass of water? Can you help me, please? Can you wait for me, please? That means you are requesting someone for doing something. Okay, so you should use can in different situations with different verbs in different sentences. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.